Gentlemen, whenever you're ready.
You get it. I got the last one. The 1031 exchange, a powerful strategy for real estate investors. So what exactly is a 1031 exchange? According to the IRS, it's an exemption that allows you to postpone paying taxes on the gain if you reinvest the proceeds in similar property through a qualifying like-kind exchange.
Gentlemen, whenever you're ready.
You get it. I got the last one.
There are two key elements to understand: the qualified intermediary and the like-kind exchange. In a standard 1031 exchange, sell first, buy later, a qualified intermediary acts as a account holder who receives the profits from the sale of your property and deposits them into an account of the replacement property upon purchase. This intermediary ensures that the funds are sheltered from capital gain tax until the exchange is completed. In a reverse 1031 exchange, buy first, sell later, the qualified intermediary holds the title to the purchased property until the relinquished property is sold, ensuring that tax benefits are preserved. To qualify for a 1031 exchange, both the relinquished property, the property being sold, and the acquired property being purchased, must be held for use in a trade or business investment. Personal use properties like primary residence, second homes, or vacation homes do not qualify. Now let's talk about the time frame of a 1031 exchange. There are two important time limits to keep in mind. First, you have 45 days from the date of relinquishing the property to identify potential replacement properties and document your choices. Second, the exchange must be completed within 180 days after the sale of the relinquished property or by the due date with extensions of your income tax return for the year in which relinquished property was sold, whichever comes earlier. In conclusion, the 1031 exchange offers real estate investors a powerful tool to defer capital gains tax and retain capital power in their investment portfolios. However, it's essential to consult with a professional CPA or read more about the specifics of the IRS policy on the 1031 exchange, or consult with an attorney to ensure compliance with all regulations and to maximize the benefits of this strategy.
Ready to maximize your real estate gains? Contact me today for your 1031 exchange.